Welcome to Unscrew English. In today's video, we'll discuss 12 idioms that you can use in your everyday life with none other than Nora Fatehi. So let's get started.
If I have to protect someone, I will. I'll lie till the cows come home.
The idiom till the cows come home means for a very long time. You can use this idiom when an action goes on and on, often longer than expected. आप इस idiom को तब यूज कर सकते हो जब कोई एक्शन बहुत लंबे समय तक चलता रहे. For example, he gave excuses till the cows came home. It means वो बहुत लंबे समय तक excuses देता रहा.
It's hard to move on. It's hard to swallow that pill.
A bitter pill to swallow. This idiom means something unpleasant that must be accepted. You can use it when you have to accept a harsh truth or some bad news. For example, losing the championship was a bitter pill to swallow for the team. It means it was a harsh reality that was difficult to accept.
We have to move mountains to reach where we want to reach as women.
To move mountains. This idiom means to make a huge effort to achieve something that is impossible. It can be used when somebody works extremely hard to achieve something difficult. जब कोई बहुत मेहनत करे कोई मुश्किल काम achieve करने के लिए. For example, she'll move mountains to get this job.
Just try. Just DM them or just approach them. I said over my dead body.
Over my dead body. This idiom means absolutely not or never. You can use this idiom to say that you completely disagree with the idea and you'll do anything to stop it from happening. For example, you want to sell this house over my dead body. It means I completely disagree with the idea of selling the house and will do anything to stop it from happening.
Whatever you see is this. I'm never going to put up a front.
To put up a front. This idiom means to hide your true feelings and pretend that everything is okay. आप इस idiom को तब यूज कर सकते हो जब आप अपने true feelings को छुपाते हो और pretend करते हो कि सब सही है. For example, even though he was devastated by the loss, he put up a front and smiled. It means even though he was feeling extremely bad, he was really upset, he still pretended to be okay.
Like I had to lie to protect my reputation because I've never lived life on the edge like that.
To live life on the edge. This idiom means to live a risky, adventurous life. ये idiom आप उस इंसान को describe करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हो जिसको बहुत risky, daring चीजें करना पसंद हो. For example, he went skydiving last week. He really knows how to live life on the edge. It means he is a person who lives a risky, adventurous life.
Oh my God, you killed it. Look at you. Yes, you did that. You ate and left no crumbs, right? That's me.
To eat and leave no crumbs. This idiom means to do a task exceptionally well. To do something perfectly. आप इस idiom को तब यूज कर सकते हो जब कोई अपना काम बहुत अच्छे से करे और उसमें कोई गलतियां ना हो. For example, Ranveer Singh ate and left no crumbs in the movie Dhurandhar. It means that he was perfect in this movie.
And then their ego really digs their own grave.
To dig your own grave. This idiom means to do something foolish that will cause problems for you in the future. आप इस idiom को तब यूज कर सकते हो जब आप अपने ही पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार लो, जब आपके ही actions आपके लिए कोई मुसीबत या problems create कर दे. For example, he dug his own grave by making fun of the boss. उसने अपने ही पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार ली by making fun of the boss.
She changed what performances are and made all the other heroines shiver in their boots because all of them suddenly wanted to do what she was doing.
To shake in your boots. This idiom means to be extremely frightened or nervous. आप इस idiom को तब यूज कर सकते हो जब कोई डर के मारे कांपने लगे. For example, the children were shaking in their boots when they heard the ghost story. It means they were extremely frightened.
She spots me and she takes me under her wing and she takes care of me the whole evening.
To take someone under your wing. This idiom means to help, protect and guide somebody who is inexperienced. जब कोई experienced इंसान एक inexperienced इंसान की help करता है, उसको guide करता है, उसको mentor करता है, तब आप इस idiom को use कर सकते हो. For example, my manager took me under his wing when I joined this company. It means my manager mentored me, guided me, helped me when I joined this company when I was inexperienced.
I think when the penny dropped for me was when so many people were like, oh, you want to be like the next Katrina Kaif.
The penny dropped. The penny dropped means that something that was very confusing suddenly became clear. You can use this idiom जब आपको कोई चीज बहुत लंबे समय तक confuse कर रही थी लेकिन finally, suddenly आपको वो समझ आ गई, वो clear हो गई. For example, I explained the joke twice, but finally the penny dropped.
And if my mom drags me from that center, I'll throw a huge fit
To throw a fit. This idiom means to become extremely angry and have a loud outburst. जब कोई इंसान बहुत जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगे, स्पेशली गुस्से में, तब आप इस इडियम को यूज कर सकते हो. For example, the child threw a fit when the mother refused to buy him a toy. It means that the child became extremely angry and started shouting. This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to form sentences using these idioms and leave it in the comment section below. I'm saying this so that you can remember and retain these idioms and actually use them in your daily life. If you like the video, then don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos and keep unscrewing English with me.